Alright, so this is my microwave. It's been giving me a lot of grief lately. I'll put a piece of toast in there. And I'm going to put a piece of toast in there for 12 seconds.
You got bird shot. Get closer, Carla.
I pressed the wrong button.
Fuck you, Mike! So he flew a nice hole in the back of that. When you gonna walk up, fuck.
Nice. Pull trigger.
Oh, yeah!
Good job, honey. How's that feel?
Clear it.
There's nothing left. I can't hear nothing.
Pull it back and see if there's...
You gotta load the first one though.
Say hello to my little friend! Fast as you can pump it, man. As fast as it'll shoot.
Just hold the trigger and pump.
Oh, nice.
When I go like up the
Yeah. Your microwave is officially done. Holy.
Look at the cord.
Fucking touchpad ended up over.
Very nice, yeah?
There's part of the computer.
Carnage everywhere.